It's another windy time in Hirosaki, this time at night. Hang on a second, you'll hear the wind going by. That was just a gust. Hopefully you heard it. So we got the trusty little wind meter here again. Of course, what's it called? The aerodynamics of this street and this building are quite misleading. Because down there, the grass is blowing that way, and down there, the grass is blowing that way, and then right here, the wind is blowing that way and that way. Anyway, I kind of dig it. I played games when I was a kid that take place in the sky, so I just kind of imagine like I'm on an airship or something, and it'll feel so much more real when we get an earthquake. Anyway, windy night in Hirosaki.